to the Common Climber YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to clean a dirty rope. And this is one of the easiest ways to do it, with supplies that you probably already have or can easily get at the store. The supplies you're going to need are some rubber gloves, not a must, but helpful because there's going to be a lot of aluminum coming off of there. But also, hey, we want to protect those climbing fingers, right? Going to need some woolite delicates. Not any soap is going to do. You want to get the woolite delicates or a special soap made for ropes. Of course, you want your dirty climbing rope. You're also going to want a couple of chairs. You see how I'm set up there? I've got another rope that I just washed hanging up, so we're going to, that's how we're going to dry the ropes. And then you're going to need a cooler. And a hose with some water. There's lots of rinses that you have to do. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is fill up the cooler about halfway and then add just a little bit of soap. I only add probably not more than half of a teaspoon. Put it in, agitate it so you get some bubbles going. Then you're going to take one end of the rope and tie it off to one of the handles. Then we're going to flake the rope into the cooler, and once it's flaked, tie the other end off over the other side. If you don't tie the ends off, you are going to be unknotting a rope for a long time. So now I have the rope completely flaked in here with both ends tied off, and I want to top off the water until the rope is completely covered. Okay, so this is after agitating on rinse number 2, and it's still pretty dirty, and as you can see, there's still some suds that are coming up with this, so definitely going to want to do another rinse. Okay, well, my last one is filling up here. I just want to talk about some of the advantages of doing it this way. Not only do most people have these supplies, but I feel like you can actually get the rope much cleaner than you would even in a front loader. In a front loader, you're going to need to daisy chain the rope and put it in a mesh bag. And what happens is that the points of the rope where they're touching each other, they actually don't get clean. So when you pull your rope out, you're going to have these streaks of dirty rope.
All right, to daisy chain a rope before washing it or throwing it in a washing machine, you need to start with a loop. A lot of people do a bite in the middle of the rope and then go from there, but then the entire rope is doubled up. And when you're doubling everything up, you're gonna have a constant contact between two ends of the rope that won't get washed. Come over and then start daisying. So you have a loop coming here, go inside the loop, grab that tail, pull it through, repeat, ad nauseum. And one helpful trick is to switch hands. And tie that off. If you have a mesh bag, that is best, to throw this all in a mesh bag.
This technique is really one of the easiest and I think one of the best to get your rope nice and clean.